Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Infinix phone. So I have Infinix Note 40X 5G in my hand, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Infinix phone. Okay, to reset Infinix phone, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, if we scroll down to the bottom, here you can see system. Now tap on system, and here if we go there, you can see backup, reset and restore. Here you can see reset phone. Here you can see reset phone. Now tap on reset phone. So here you can see reset Wi-Fi settings, reset app preferences, reset calibration parameters, and erase all data. Now tap on erase all data, and you can see guys, erase all data. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. Now here you can see bottom, erase all data. Simply tap on erase all data, and you can see enter your password. So now after it, enter your password, and you can see erase all data permanently. You can see all of your personal information, including downloaded apps and sims, will be deleted. You can't undo this action. Now simply tap on erase all data. Okay, now it will restart. So you can see it is erasing. Okay, all data erased. And guys, after factory reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after factory reset, simply set up your phone and start using it. So guys, this is the method to factory reset Infinix phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.